Island escape just a few hours from India? Welcome to Phu Quoc, Vietnam, a paradise of white sands, blue seas, and warm sunshine. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to reach from Bangalore to Phu Quoc flight, the visa process for Indian travelers, and the best time to visit Phu Quoc with easy planning through vietnamtour.in. Just off Vietnam's southern coast lies Phu Quoc, an island that feels like a secret paradise waiting to be discovered. Imagine beaches softer than silk, sunsets that set the sky on fire, and streets filled with the scent of grilled seafood and ocean breeze. It's Vietnam's answer to Bali and Phuket, but without the crowds. A place where you can dive into adventure by day and lose yourself in golden peace by night. Once you arrive, you'll wonder how this hidden gem stayed off the tourist map for so long. There isn't a direct Bangalore to Phu Quoc flight yet, but getting there is simple and comfortable. You can first fly from Bangalore to Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, two major cities in Vietnam, and then take a short 1-hour domestic flight to reach Phu Quoc Island. Several popular airlines such as Vietjet Air, Vietnam Airlines, Thai Airways, and Singapore Airlines operate these routes every day, making the journey smooth and convenient. It's just one easy stop before you land in Vietnam's tropical paradise. The total travel time from Bangalore to Phu Quoc is usually 6 to 8 hours, depending on how long your layover is. Round-trip airfares generally cost between 20,000 rupees and 30,000 rupees, depending on the airline and travel season. To save money and time, try booking your tickets 3 to 4 weeks in advance and look for flights with short layovers. That way, you'll reach Phu Quoc, Vietnam faster and start enjoying your beach getaway right away. Here's the best part. Indian travelers don't need a visa to visit Phu Quoc Island if you fly directly there and stay for less than 30 days. That means no embassy visits, no forms, and no visa fees. You can simply book your flight, pack your bags, and enjoy your holiday. However, if your Bangalore to Phu Quoc flight has a layover in Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi, even for a short time, you'll need to apply for a Vietnam e-visa before traveling. It's a simple online process, valid for 30 days, and accepted at all major airports in Vietnam. Don't worry, vietnamtour.in can handle everything for you quickly and easily. The best time to visit Phu Quoc is from November to April, when the weather is sunny, dry, and perfect for beach activities. Temperatures range between 27 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and sunset cruises. From May to October, light tropical rains make the island greener and quieter. A great time for couples or budget travelers who love peaceful getaways. Explore Long Beach and Starfish Beach for picture-perfect views. Ride the Hon Tom cable car or visit the Phu Quoc night market for souvenirs and fresh seafood. You can also go island hopping, relax at beach resorts, or take romantic sunset cruises. There's something here for everyone. For Indian travelers, Phu Quoc, Vietnam feels friendly and easy. You'll find several Indian restaurants near the main beaches, and most hotels can prepare vegetarian food on request. Carry light clothes, sunscreen, and enjoy your vacation worry-free with vietnamtour.in, who will take care of your stay, meals, and transfers. From Bangalore to Phu Quoc, paradise is just one flight away. Golden beaches, gentle waves, and endless sunshine are waiting for you in Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Let vietnamtour.in make your trip effortless. From visa and flights to private tours and Indian-friendly meals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides across Vietnam and Southeast Asia.